Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Fidget toys help them to focus by calming their anxious behavior. The repetitive motion of spinning, clicking, or rolling fidget toys can boost concentration and productivity because of their calming effect.
Take our lead.
The feeling of squishing, shaping and popping the putty can be fantastic stress relief. It is calming to just focus on the putty and how it feels. A plus with the putty is that you can play with it while working.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here are a few things that might help. If it's caused by nervousness, don't wear, hold, or eat anything that might cause you to fidget. Think about pulling your hair back, keeping items out of your hands, saving the gum for later, or removing jewelry that is distracting.
Take our lead.
Do fidget toys actually help? While fidgeting is scientifically shown to help with attention, we lack studies showing that fidget toys do help. Simple fidgeting tools, such as textured putty or squeezy balls that allow quiet, non-distracting movement seem to be helpful.
Let's help you make your mark.
Healthline's picks of the best fidget toys for anxiety. Tom's Fidget's Flippy Chain. Shop now at Amazon. Price: $. Go to acupressure rings. Shop now at Amazon. Price: $. Tangle. Shop now at Amazon. Price: $. Free Grace Sensory Squeeze Balls. Shop now at Amazon. Price: $.
Take our lead.
If moving around isn't an option, for example if you are on a plane during takeoff, you can always try to distract yourself with a stress ball, some beads or even gum. Researchers at Tokyo Medical and Dental University found that repetitive and tactile motions distract the mind from the immediate feelings of panic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.